First, we'll need 2 pounds of boneless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of teriyaki sauce, and a can of pineapple chunks, about 20 ounces. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, it's time to marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, drench the chicken pieces in the teriyaki sauce. Let the chicken marinate for a minimum of 15 minutes, or if time permits, an hour in the refrigerator. Next, transfer the marinated chicken into a baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Now comes the tropical twist. Scatter the pineapple chunks evenly over the chicken. Now, place the dish in the oven and let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. The key indicator of a perfectly baked teriyaki pineapple chicken is when the chicken is thoroughly cooked and the sauce is bubbly. Finally, it's serving time. The teriyaki pineapple chicken is best served hot. This dish pairs beautifully with steamed rice or noodles and a side of steamed vegetables such as broccoli or bok choy. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.